Hi, Jessica Kinni here, and today I am going to show you 3 breathing exercises that will help you relax, that you can do in just a short amount of time, and that are really easy to learn and do on your own. Now, if you do want to see any extended versions of these exercises, you want to spend a little bit more time with them, they're all available on my YouTube channel. But for now, we're just going to dive right in and try all 3 of these together. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to place your thumbs and your pointer fingers together. You're going to inhale in through your nose and exhale out through your nose. Let's try that. Thumbs and pointer fingers together. Inhale. Exhale. Now thumbs to middle fingers. Inhale. Exhale. Thumbs to ring fingers. Inhale. Exhale. Finally, thumbs to pinkies. Inhale. Exhale. Coming back now, thumbs to ring fingers. Inhale. Exhale. Thumbs to middle fingers. Inhale. Exhale. Thumbs to pointer fingers. Inhale. Exhale. Now placing your hands back down at your side, take a few nice deep breaths in through your mouth and out through your mouth. And just notice how your body has changed after doing these few breaths together with me. And I am going to guide you through a square breath exercise. And following my voice, we are now inhaling 3, 2, 1, holding 3, 2, 1, exhaling 3, 2, 1, holding 3, 2, 1, inhaling 3, 2, 1, holding 3, 2, 1, exhaling 3, 2, 1, holding 3, 2, 1, inhaling 3, 2, 1, holding 3, 2, 1, exhaling 3, 2, 1, holding 3, 2, 1, inhaling 3, 2, 1, holding 3, 2, 1, exhaling 3, 2, 1, and holding 3, 2, 1. We've now done 4 rounds of square breathing, and I invite you now to allow your breath to go back to its natural ebb and flow in and out through your nose. And once you've taken a few breaths in and out through your nose at this relaxed pace that feels good for you, go ahead and bring your awareness and your attention to the crown or the top of your head. And what you're going to do is you're going to scan from the crown of your head down to the tips of your toes with your mind. And anywhere during that scan that shows up as needing a little bit of extra love and attention, you're going to stop there and you're going to breathe into that space. Just slowly make your way down. If your shoulders are tight, stop at your shoulders and just imagine that you are breathing into your shoulders, and that with each breath you are breathing in relaxing, soothing energy. And with each exhale, the tension and the stress and all of those little bits that don't serve you today are blown out of your shoulders, out of your body, and never to be seen again. Breathing in, relaxation, breathing out, stress and tension. And just making your way through your body slowly until you get down to the tips of your toes. And once you've scanned your entire body, go ahead and just sit and breathe for a couple of minutes and notice how you feel. That tightness disappears. And you know you're grounded because you don't feel so disjointed now. You feel solid. Your core feels solid. That's how you know you're ready to deepen your breath. Roll out your shoulders, letting your mind and body realign with the physical world. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Now, doing this on your own may be a little bit easier now that you've learned the mechanics, but this is a really great technique that you can use anytime. I have a full body scan meditation also available on my channel, and I hope that you'll take a look. Thanks, and have a great day.